Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the Edgar-O world and welcome back to the House of Nightmares. Even though this is not really a House of Nightmares video, this is gonna be a quick Chucky product unboxing video because I feel like I haven't done one of these in quite some time because I did just buy this product and I just got it in the mail a couple of days ago, and I was like, you know what, let me just get on camera and open it for you guys and show you what I got, especially since it's a Chucky related product and I know a lot of us share the same passion, the same love for Chucky, so why not share that experience with you guys? And I just want to say really quickly, I hope everyone had a nice spooky Halloween. I know in my house we sure did. It was really fun, and I know the holidays are coming up, but in this house it's pretty much Halloween every day. And as you can see from my background, I took advantage of a lot of Halloween sales, especially from Party City. So I want to say, Party City, thank you for having a 75% off on all of your products. I was able to grab a lot of stuff. I'm talking about a lot of stuff, and I can't wait to show you guys. Also, I want to say thank you to everyone who saw my House of Nightmares tour video, our little walkthrough that we did. I want to say thank you for showing love and support because honestly, my team and I put a lot of hard work and dedication into this video. Honestly, it took about a whole entire week to finish and complete the video. We took 4 days filming the video and 3 days editing it, and it was just it was hard, but I love how the video came out and the response that you guys have given me. It's just been so amazing. So if you've seen the video and you show your love and support, I want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart. It really does mean a lot. If you haven't seen it, you should be ashamed of yourself because you were asking for it. But if you haven't seen it, make sure you go check it out. I will post the link in the description down below, so please go check it out because we did put a lot of hard work into this video and I'm really proud of it. Anyways, let's jump right into the video because I have the package right here and I am dying to open this box. I just got this a couple of days ago and I've been so patient to not open it and peek on it. But today I finally get to open it, and what a best way to do it in front of you guys and see how it really looks in person. This does come from Mexico. Now from the look of it, the box looks a little beat up, or I should say a lot of beat up, because the stupid people at the post office obviously don't know how to handle something that says fragile. So hopefully the product inside is not damaged or broken. I will be very upset, but let's just hope it's not. I bought this from a really fantastic, amazing artist by the name of Tenoch Art. He is definitely one of my favorite custom artists because he is so freaking talented. This is my second product that I bought from him. My first product was obviously this little guy right here. He created this one, and this is one of my favorite products. As I've mentioned before, I really like this guy. It's definitely worth what I paid for. And yeah, I know that the second product that I just bought is not going to disappoint, and I can't wait to see it. So let's open the box. Now, he did mention to have patience opening this and to open it carefully, I guess, to not damage the product. So I'm gonna try to do this as patiently as possible because I honestly don't want to damage the product inside. But I know that he did wrap it very well and really careful. So hopefully the item inside is secure enough. All right, first wing is open. Moment of truth. Oh my god, I can't see what's inside. So this is honestly really secure. I can tell right now that this is actually well packed. So Tenoch Art, thank you for taking your time in doing this and making sure that the product is actually protected, because these assholes don't know how to handle a box. Shout out to the post office. All right, so the actual product, it's right in here. It's a little heavy, and yeah, let me go open this carefully because I don't want to damage it and try to use something else other than a blade. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. You guys see that? Oh my god. I'm like nervous. I don't know why I'm nervous. Oh my god. I'm like blushing. Oh my god. Wow, this is so unbelievable. Wow. I can't believe this. This is what you call work of art. Like, people need to be taking notes. Wow, this is just so freaking beautiful. It's definitely heavy. It looks, I don't know, it's just amazing. You know, I feel like this is one of those props where you just like love staring at it. When I first saw the pictures on his Facebook account, I wasn't sure what this confetti was. I know it's not confetti, but that's what I'm gonna call it. I wasn't sure what it was, but now that it's like in person and I can really see, I mean, I still don't know what it is, but it honestly looks really good. It doesn't look bad at all. I'm really curious as to why this, like, what was the inspiration behind the background? Because it could have been like a yellow background, or, you know, the shape of the good guy box or something, but I'm just really curious as to why this. But that's not me complaining about it, I'm just curious. So as you can see, like a real artist, he has his signature back here. It says Tenoch Art, and this is number 3 out of 10. He only did make 10 of these, and I'm glad that I am one of the lucky people who was able to get their hands on one of these. This is so beautiful. It does come with the little, what is this thing called, to hang on the wall. Honestly, now that I'm really looking at it and it's actually really heavy, I am not gonna hang this on my wall because I don't trust my walls. What if one day I slam the door and this falls down? Can you imagine this falling and breaking? Heart attack. So what I am gonna do is I am actually gonna look for a crystal box, not a crystal box, a glass box, crystal box, okay. I'm gonna look for a glass box where I could actually pose this inside the glass box just so it won't fall and break. I honestly think this will look so much better in a glass box with a light right underneath, right above it. I honestly think that would look so much better than just hanging it on the wall. You guys, this is really freaking beautiful. I really can't stop staring at it. Honestly, if you put it like this, it looks like a cake. Like, I would literally pay someone to make me a cake like this. So if you know any bakery who knows how to make cakes like this, please let me know. I will pay whatever amount to get a cake like this for next year. But this is really beautiful. I really like the way that this is painted. I like the way that it's sculpted. I just like everything about this piece. I like the fact that it's a collectible. In my eyes, this is a collectible. Even though Tenoch Art is not like a big company like NECA who makes limited edition stuff, the fact that it's a custom work from someone who likes doing stuff like this, I am beyond happy with that. Honestly, I love supporting smaller artists like Tenoch Art because you could tell the hard work that they put into it. Like, you could definitely see that. It's just beautiful. The paint job is beautiful. Everything about this is just beautiful. And I don't mean to repeat myself over and over again, but this is just, we're gonna be friends till the end. One thing I really love about Tenoch Art is that his products are, to me, affordable. I'm not made out of money and I don't have millions of dollars to spend. But when he comes out with stuff like this and you send him a message and he gives you a price, it's definitely affordable and honestly worth it. So I'm not gonna disclose the amount that I pay for this guy right here out of respect to him, but yeah, I think if you wanna know how much he sells his products for, you definitely should check him out. His Facebook account, I'll definitely post his information on the description down below. I'll post his Facebook account. Send him a message. He is a really nice guy and he replies really quick. I really love this. I'm truly happy with the purchase. Money well spent. I'm not sure what this is made out of, but it's definitely heavy. My hand's getting tired. So yeah, I really like this guy right here, and I can't wait to find the glass box to post him in and prop him up in the Chucky room. But alright guys, that is pretty much it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys enjoyed this little mini unboxing. And if you did, give this video a huge thumbs up because that does really help me a lot and I really do appreciate that. And that also lets me know that you want to see more videos like this. And if you do, I will keep doing them. So give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you want Tenoch Art information, I will post his Facebook link on the description down below, and then you are free to send him a message and get all the information you want. And just a friendly reminder, this video is not sponsored by him. This is just me doing it because I think his his work of art speaks for itself. But alright guys, that is pretty much it for today's video. Let me know in the comments down below, did you like the video? Did you not like the video? I mean, honestly, I don't know why you wouldn't like the video. But let me know in the comments down below. If you're new to my channel and you want to be part of my little family, then click that subscriber button. Also click that bell button to get notified for every time I post, which is once a week, sometimes twice a week. I'm weird. But alright guys, as always, thank you for watching and I will see you on my next video. Bye. This is dope. Like dope. Like it's better than dope. Like, do you know what dope is? It's like better than that. Like 20 times better than that.